Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how post conversation insight in SigmaMind AI work and how easy they are to set up. Let's see. So from your agent builder, click here and go to this post conversation insight. So, post conversation insight automatically extract important information after every conversation. So, you don't have to review call manually. You just have to add new insight here that you want to extract from the conversation. So, to add a new insight, click on add new insight. And first here give a name. Let's say, for example, I am giving reason to call. So this tells SigmaMind what information you want to extract. Next, add analysis instruction. Here you simply tell the AI what to analyze from the conversation. For example, I am giving this instructions to AI. Analyze the call to determine the main reason for the call, secondary concern, and the desired outcome from the caller's perspective. Once done, click on submit. Now, when you test your agent and have conversation, you can see these insight in your logs. Let's see. So this is the conversation with the AI. Now, when you go to the system log and when you click on this post call analysis, here you can see this reason to call, connection issue, and inquiry about streaming plan. So now you can use this insight anywhere. Update your CRM, send it to Google Sheet. You just have to use SigmaMind AI webhook. So try it out on SigmaMind AI. Thank you.